So, this is pandemic. This is 4 o'clock in the morning in India. I lost my job due to pandemic. They said they could not afford me. I was an excellent employee. I had everything going for me. I'm loyal, I'm intelligent, I'm hardworking, I am efficient, I'm honest, I'm an excellent counselor, but still I'm unemployable because of pandemic, because they cannot afford me, because I'm so good and I am a brand in myself. So they let me go. Now I am looking desperately for jobs like thousands of you out there. But even if you are getting job offers, there is a catch. The new employers, now they are exploiting the situation. They're exploiting the desperation that everyone has, that they all need jobs, they need money to sustain themselves. So they are exploiting. They're giving you the offer, but then they are giving you the salary which might be half of what you are getting or half of what you are worth of. They're bullying you to accept their conditions in every way. So this is my advice. Please do not give in. If their conditions are acceptable, reasonable, then fine, go ahead with it. But if it is unacceptable, it is insulting to your qualification, it is insulting to your ability, it is insulting to your self-respect, please politely refuse them. Do not give them the chance that you are desperate for work, you're desperate for money, because if you fall into that trap, they will keep you in the trap forever. They'll keep on exploiting you without giving you any return of the work that you are giving in for them. You will be earning money for them. Trust me. Even in this lockdown, even in this pandemic, you will be earning business for them. But you will not be getting anything out of it. Because they have a very nice excuse. It's pandemic. We cannot pay you more. We cannot give you bonus. We cannot give you this. We cannot give you that. You have to understand. But you have to give them business. So, my advice is select, be patient. I know it's very difficult. It is easier said than done. I'm in the same boat. I'm in the same boat with you. Be patient. It's difficult. But do not sacrifice or do not compromise on your values. This is the most important part. As of now, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, Monday. I'm going to get another call for the second round of interview. I'm going to be assertive. I'm going to be firm, polite. I'm going to practice what I preach. I'm going to do exactly what I'm telling you to do. If they try to bully me, if they try to coax me, then I'll politely refuse. That no, I'm ready to work hard. I'm ready to do whatever you want me to do. I'm ready to work for you. I'm ready to give you value for your job. I'm appreciating the kind of opportunity you're giving me right now. But that does not mean I'm going to be your slave. be it pandemic or no pandemic. I'm qualified, I'm able, I have been working for almost 10 years, I'm experienced, so definitely I'll get another option. Maybe a bit later, maybe I'll have to wait, maybe I'll have to do some more headhunting, do some more job search, do some more networking, take maybe part-time jobs, but I will not at any cost sacrifice my self-respect for just a job. So please, if you find this video of mine a bit encouraging, or I would say a bit more motivating, then please follow what I am trying to tell you to do. Because this is the position, this is the time when we have to be strong also. Pandemic has not only hit this big organization, they have not been hit, they are lying. We are the ones who are getting hit. We are the ones who are losing the jobs. We are the ones without money. We are the ones who are desperate. But that does not mean that we have become animals. It applies to everyone in this world right now, be it India, be it Pakistan, be it America, be it Italy, be it anywhere. People are committing suicide. Why? Because they have been exploited. Because they are worried that if they don't get job or if they don't accept their conditions, they will not be able to support their families. Don't be scared. This is a bad phase, I know, but this will pass too. So right now, I want to wish you all the best, and I want you to wish me all the best. And please, no compromise on your self-respect and your value system, no matter what. You will get more opportunities. Trust me. It will be slow, but it will be there. So, bye for now. Good morning or good night, wherever this is going. Okay? See ya.